I loved the seminar today, thank you. It was really good. It was really interesting hearing the best practice stories from other people, and everyone's contribution, and the panel and the leaders of the seminar were all exceptional. I found it really interesting. We've got ambassadors on our collaboration group for the City of Literature from each of the high schools in Dunedin. We've just started including those young people in the governance group, and it's going really well. And so I was enjoying hearing about that, those options and the possibilities. Also, I think every project, the project in Barcelona about the dating with the books was delightful. Every project had something fresh and interesting for it. And I also really enjoyed the strategic discussion about timetabling and strategic promotions. So I'll take all those things home and hopefully stay in touch with many of the other participants too. Thank you very much.